In this recording, we are going to see how a vital event declaration can be submitted. Over here, I'm logged in as a registration agent, and by clicking the plus icon over here, I can get to choose which type of event I would like to declare. Now let's declare a birth. First, we are presented with a script which explains the birth registration process. This text can be read or shown to the informant to make sure they understand what will happen next. Naturally, this text, as well as the entire declaration form, can be customized to country-specific requirements. We can now see an easy-to-use declaration form. This page is for capturing the child's details. We have some mandatory questions required for registration, highlighted with a red asterisk, and some additional optional questions. Now let's start filling up this form. For some fields like place of birth, the user starts typing and OpenCRVS shows all possible entries, which speeds up data entry and prevents data quality issues. Next, we capture the informant details. If the informant is not mother or father, then we need to capture their full details. In this example, our informant is the mother. Since we will be collecting mother's details on the next page, so we can avoid collecting it right now. Then we need to add their contact details. OpenCRVS can be configured to send status updates to the informant via SMS or email. Over here, since email is our mandatory field, informant will be getting email notification. Next, we capture the mother's details. Now we will capture the father's details. By asking questions such as this one, if father's residential address is the same as mother's one, we can avoid repetition of answers and reduce the number of questions or fields for data entry. In this page, we can upload supporting document and attach them to the declaration form. There is a list of allowable document types. If the user is using a tablet or a mobile phone, then they can easily capture their supporting documents through their camera. Now we can preview the supporting document and delete it if needed. We now move to the review page where all the data entered can be checked before submission. If any mandatory fields are missing, then they are clearly highlighted. The user can easily review the information entered against their supporting document. If they find any mistake, then they can easily change them. Finally, they can add additional comments, upload signature of the informant, and send the declaration for approval to the registrar. When processing, the record goes to the outbox. As we are online, you can see the record leaving the device. If we were working in an offline mode, then the record would stay in the outbox until we had connectivity. Once processed, the record will appear in Send for Approval work queue. This completes the demo for how you can declare an event in OpenCRVS. Please note that the form can be completely customized. You can add pages, questions, and logic to meet all your country requirements.